everybody, and welcome back to my vlog. Your girl been missing in action because I'm just not recuperating from throwing up. And girl, when I say I had it bad this last couple of days, you know, I was throwing up and it's coming out the other end. So I'm just not recuperating. I feel better today and I feel like vlogging today. So right now I just got through cleaning and mopping my kitchen, about to get dressed, do something to my head. At the kids say they want to go to the park, but I need to go to the store, get some few things for the house. But yeah, I'm back. I ain't went nowhere. I couldn't vlog because I could barely sit up when I was throwing up. So, but I'm feeling better now, and I'm gonna be changing my eating habits. I'm making some lifestyle changes, and I gotta do better. Your girl got to do better. So you will be seeing me eating right on this channel. Weight loss journey. Starting Monday, we'll be doing like a little walking exercise, 30 minutes out the day. I might post up what I eat during the day video. So for those that wants to join the weight loss journey with me, go ahead. I will be posting that for y'all. I'm also thinking about changing my channel name to either Felicia Michelle's World or Felicia Michelle's Life. Comment down below, let me know what do you guys think, or if you have any suggestion of what should I put on my vlog, let your girl know. I will take any considerations, you know. I will take heed to it, you know. I might just pick what you think I should change it to. But yeah.
3 hours later.
We are back. Right now we about to head to
The store.
They want to go to the park. We're going to go to the park for a little bit. We might take it to the duck pond for a little bit.
I want to go to the park that's over there.
But I need to clean. First thing I need to do is clean out my car. Because y'all got to miss it. Because tomorrow I need to take it to the dealer shop to get my airbags fixed situation. So I got to get this car clean because the cheering. But then after that, we're going to go to the park or whatever. Let them play a little bit to take all the energy out that they need to take out. And we just going to the store, get a little few things and cook dinner and stuff like that later on. But y'all can come with us and rock with us, you know, whatever. I do feel a little better. Your girl, that's bad. But how y'all feeling back there? I'll see y'all when I get to the car thingy.
Come and go like a rah. They don't want the two going on. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the pole. Yeah. Remember when we did it for life, was noticing all these frames got me trimming a knife. Always on some new thing like riding a bike. Let's do things in one setting, but I don't feel like selling for the time being. When I was young I used to dream about the palm trees. After the summer achievements I got a long sleeve. Supposedly, think about it, in reality you running out of options. Starting to see the coffin with the Bible preach. I'm way ahead on a private beach. My hair bleached on the cover of a magazine. I got the flavor doing push-ups on the coca bean. Doing all the things you can't imagine what it might be. All these women trying to write me. I get the message now, I know they wanna wife me. And not to mention all the bruises, I just went through all the heat. I broke through all the edges like a right cheek. Yeah, I come and go like a rah. They don't want the two be going nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm coming go like a rah.
They ran up out the car. Can't wait to go play on the playground. Here go all the duckies over here.
Believe in picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend. And I know you are afraid that you fail again. You can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you. In the
Today's a nice day out here in my stomach. I thought I'd be good out here with the kids, but my stomach feel like it's bubbling. I ain't been outside since I've been sick. Now I feel like I want to go ahead and go back home, but I gotta go to the store. So I'm gonna have to just hold this mug in until we go. But I got a lot of people out here fishing this dirty water. But I guess there's some fishes down there. Let me watch this, y'all.
You say you haven't been yourself for a long, long time. Baby, your reckoning is already on. But even if you open up and it's all pretend, and I know you think it's worth every dime you spend, you can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you.
What y'all playing? Pirate? Y'all in the council jail? Where you going? They don't never want to leave. All right, bye-bye. Pedriele.
No, don't go in there. No, no.
They're too cute.
Baby duckies.
Look how the car looks, you know.
Let's see.
Everything's vacuumed and stuff, but yeah. Now we about to go inside Walmart. I want to try to make my own lumpia. I'm gonna go inside this Walmart and see if they got the lumpia wraps. If I can find some. If not, I'm gonna have to go to an Oriental store to get me some. But I'm also gonna go ahead and get some dinner, some shampoo, and all that. So come along with us. Come along inside Wally World. And stuff. I'm finally in Walmart. I'm trying to see if they got the lumpia wraps up in here. They probably don't. Like I said, I got the idea. I mean, I've been had lumpia and pancit from my best friend's Shell. Growing up as a child, she used to cook that at her house. Well, her mom used to cook that at her house, and it'd be so good. But I never made it myself. Then I saw K&T's World's video, and my first time meeting her yesterday through My Jazzy Life, and she was showing us how to make it. And I was like, oh, that's easy. I can make it myself. So I'm trying to see if they got the wraps here. If not, I'm gonna have to go to an international Oriental store or whatever. But let's find out. They do have the sweet and sour sauce here though. $2.26. I'm gonna try that. But I don't see the wraps, so we're gonna have to go to the other store for the wraps. Don't look like they got it here. Where is the thing? 98. Mediterranean croissant.
1 hour later.
Alright, y'all, we are back in the car. I guess I'm about to wait. I got the stuff that I need for the Olympia, but guess what? They don't have the wrappers there, so I have to wait till one of my international stores opens so I can go inside there and purchase the wrappers. Hopefully they got it, but they all closed right now. They closed super early where I'm at, but I'll be cooking them for y'all tomorrow and taste testing it myself to see how well I do for the first time. But I'm gonna get home. Cop. Okay, y'all, we done made it back home. Right now I'm cooking the taco ring for the kids. That's what they want for dinner, taco ring. But let me show you what I got going on. I'm grinding the beef and I put the taco seasoning mix in there. Got it cooking right now. And it's gonna be cooking for 5 minutes, just like how you cook a regular tacos. But instead of just putting the stuff in the taco shell, we're gonna use some croissants. And I'm gonna show y'all in a minute how I do it. We are going to use these croissants. Sweet Hawaiian. Hey y'all see how the taco mix looks? It's ready. So that means it's ready to be prepped to go on top of those croissants by making a star like around the area. Then you use 2 of these croissants. You can get the cheap kind, dollar kind, you can get whatever you want. You use 2 of these croissants and then you start filling up the spaces. And then once you fill up the spaces, you start adding the meat and your cheese. I will show you the rest. With 2 croissants, that's how it looks. But I'm going to show you when I add the meat. The meat and cheese just like that. And then you get one of these croissants and you fold it in the middle and go around all the way around. I will show you the end product. Like this. Put that mug in the oven on 375 and cook for like 20-25 minutes. Then your food will be done. Okay, y'all, this is how it turned out. Nice goldy brown taco ring. In the middle, you put your lettuce, your picante sauce, your onions, your purple onions, white onions, whatever your choice is, your tomatoes, whatever you feel like putting on top of there, you can put it on top of there. But I'm not going to do that with the lettuce. My kids don't want all that. I'm going to cut them up in little pieces and serve them in their plate. Add some sour cream on top of that. Add some cheese on top of that. Some picante sauce. And they're good to go. I made 2 of these, by the way. The other one's still cooking. That look on the inside. Ooh, let it focus. Focus.
Alright.
Goes the second one. And the first one is gone, y'all. Kids tore it up. But here goes the second one. I got my food and I'm ready to eat and end this vlog. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Smash that like button. And feel free to share this video. If y'all want the step-by-step recipe, I will do a separate video on this. It's comment down below. And also, like I said, share this video. Until next time, you'll see me in the next video. Bye.